everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Highlights of Favor. So guys, I'm so grateful for the new added subscribers I have to my channel, and we hit over 100 subscribers. So I'm so grateful to you guys. Thank you for coming to my channel and thank you for subscribing. So if you haven't subscribed, please go down below, hit the big red subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell, so whenever I post a video you'll get notified and you'll be the first to see it. So guys, today I'll be making this very easy, fast and yummy delicacy. It is plantain porridge, and I'll be showing you guys the ingredients. I won't waste much time on this intro, so let's get started. Let me show you the ingredients. So everyone, this is actually what we need for the plantain porridge. Some plantain, unripe plantain or pre-ripe plantain. I like mine pre-ripe. Just a little bit sweet but still unripe. These are hard, they are not ripe, don't come for me. So they just look pretty unripe, but they are hard and not ripe. So you need your spinach or your kale, but this is kale. Kale is gradually becoming my favorite. I feel like spinach melts so fast. And my fish, I have my oil, red oil, I have my salt, all-purpose seasoning, and not seasoning. This is a combination right here. My pepper, red pepper, you can use black pepper or whatever. I just like mine really spicy. Then I have bell pepper, onion, ginger, and fresh thyme. This is actually for the fish. So yeah, that's all you need, guys. And I think one reason I actually like this meal is because it's fast. It takes less than an hour. What am I saying? It takes like 30 minutes. I feel like I'm a lover of fast food, fast homemade food. I don't want to spend all day in the kitchen. I don't want to even spend like an hour in the kitchen. So yeah, this is it. It is easy and fast. So this is all you actually need for it. I'm not making a whole huge portion, so this is what I need. So guys, let's get started. So at this point, I'm just gonna go in and peel the plantain. They're already washed. So I did the same thing, peel all of them properly, and I am just gonna be going in with cutting them into little chunks. You don't want to cut them too small so they don't melt before the food gets ready. You want to be able to see them. It's plantain porridge, guys. So that's all the plantain I'll be using, and I'm just going to transfer it into the pan, and here it is. Now we'll put all my ingredients, starting with onions, pepper, all-purpose seasoning and not seasoning, salt, the red oil, and some water. So I'm not going to put too much water. I just want to put the amount that fits the plantain, so it's on the same level with the plantain. It's not going to be too much, so everything will boil together. Now all the ingredients is there. I'm putting it on the stove, and this is the difference with making this plantain porridge. I put all the ingredients before putting it on the stove. Guys, try to make your favorite foods in different ways. I'm sure you will love it. So now I'll be moving on to making the fish, and I'll be using the bell pepper. I'm just gonna clean it up. One bell pepper is okay because I'm not making too much. I'll be cleaning the onions, the garlic. Oh my god, I just keep saying garlic. It's ginger, guys. I'm not using garlic, I'm using ginger. And after cleaning that, I'm gonna blend it. So this is the fish I'll be using. I'm just gonna add my pepper mix to it. Then I'll be adding all-purpose seasoning, pepper, some extra pepper, just a little bit. I like it really spicy. Onions, and stir. I'm just gonna stir this for some minutes so everything gets in there before I put it on the stove, guys. So now I'm just going to be adding fresh thyme for some flavor, and I'll check the plantain porridge. Oh my, it's looking so good. Can you guys see this color? And you can see all the water is dried up. I'm just going to move on now to adding the kale. Like I said, I'll be using kale. This looks really yummy. So guys, at this point, after adding the vegetables, you know what time it is. It's ready. Just leave it for like a minute or two so it sautés the vegetable, but you don't want it to be too soft, so you're just gonna like turn down the heat or lower it. So now this is ready. I turned off the stove already, and I will be checking the fish because I'm sure it's pretty dried and ready to go. So this is the fish. It's dried. I really all the sauce, love this plating. I am beginning to improve on my plating. And that is it, guys. So please try these out. Leave a comment below. You can leave a comment on my Instagram, Facebook, or on YouTube. And try out this recipe, guys. Tell me what more you want to see on my channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, support your girl. Subscribe to this channel. Turn on your post notification. So whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to get notified, guys. And if you really like this video, please leave a big thumbs up, share this video, and thank you guys. Oh my, this tastes so good. Every time I watch myself eating and trying out food while editing, and I'm like, I want to have a taste of this again. It looks really good, guys. Please try it out and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you for supporting me to this stage. I am so grateful to you guys, and I am happy that you guys are supporting me. See, it tastes this good. I'll leave the link to my previous recipes on my description box. You can go check it out and try those recipes too. And please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel. Check out my Instagram, like this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Mwah.